Sabrina asks, when going through consular processing for someone who entered the US without inspection, will we ever have to go to an interview again? I never see it mentioned. Well, if you're going to go through consular processing with someone entered without inspection, consular processing is when you have to go to the embassy. Well, you may be subject to a 3 or 10-year bar, so you need to make sure you got a waiver for that. But will you have to do an interview again? Well, you will. Consular processing will end in an interview. If the interview doesn't go well, sometimes they'll ask you to come again. So there's just so many different things, Sabrina, could happen here. It depends on the facts of the case. For example, you may go to the interview and they find some sort of other inadmissibility issue. They might say, oh, you have marijuana, you're a marijuana user. You have to come back in a year and show us that you've been marijuana clean and you went through counseling, all this stuff. You have to do another interview at that time. So it's just too much going on. That could be possibilities that it's way too hypothetical for me to be able to answer that, Sabrina. But it may be possible where you have to do multiple interviews depending on the details of your case. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the US immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.